Okay, as I went back, I noticed I had put the bracket on the sticking straight out. I always got to do things usually 3 times. So this is where we're at. When I tested it on the water, it was too high. I mean, it came up not a problem, and but it was just right at water level. So I knew it was going to be a little high. I'm curious to know if I mounted all the way down, what would happen, but that's another video, I guess. So here we go. It's hard to do it with the phone in your hand, but there you have it. Down, and then if you want to do various down imaging modes, you can move this to several different positions and then position that as well. Cool. FO.